Hi, I'm Laurel Guy, and today we're visiting a contemporary condo. This is number G-10 in Sevanna Park, one of the best locations because it's only 4 minutes from Cornell, Community Corners, and the malls. And this unit has a great new balcony. It's been updated with a new kitchen. It has a tiled bath and an open plan. Best of all, it's pet friendly. Inside, it's open and light. The many recent improvements gives this condo a fresh, contemporary feel. The large balcony is a great feature. It has views, and it's ideal for cookouts. Check out those new kitchen cabinets, granite counters, subway tile backsplash, and new appliances too. Plus, the HOA fee at Sevanna Park covers almost everything, including your heating bill. Sevanna Park G10 is an easy choice, pet-friendly, plenty of parking, and the perfect location.